Assembly bulbs process. In Precision Mexico, we have three bulbs assembly production lines, which are high-speed, fully automated and equipped with controls for detection and separation of product, whose dimensional characteristics are outside of our strict quality parameters, so they are completely safe, reliable and consistent, ensuring by this way the production of bulbs with the highest global standards in the spray industry. So we can say that these machines are safe for our employees who are responsible for their operation. Because for Precision, the safety of our people is the most important.